The question is, chart state with the reason any two possible consequences of elimination of decomposers from the earth. So the possible consequences of elimination of decomposers could be, the first one would be, if all the decomposers of earth are eliminated, then the dead bodies of plants and animals would not be decomposed into simpler non-polluting substances. So whole earth in no time would have heap of dead bodies of plants. As it is correctly stated over here that if the bodies will not be able to decompose and get mixed in the soil, then they will keep lying on the floor and pollute the surrounding around it. And that would give all smell and life would become impossible on earth, because you can't stay with all the dead bodies around you. It will affect the lives of other people also. And the second consequence would be elimination of decomposers would cause imbalance of nutrients as they break complex organic materials into simpler substances in different nutrient cycles. Yeah, this second point is clear, as when the decomposers decomposes the bodies and those goes into the soil, they break complex organic materials into simpler substances, and in different nutrient cycles, they again get recycled and the cycle forms and they come back in another form. So, these will be the consequences of elimination of decomposers.